Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. Compliment of the season to you all. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to cut halter top. If you are watching this channel for the first time, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever we upload a new video. This is a platform where we learn how to cut patterns with different styles. Kindly subscribe. So I'll be using paper to demonstrate to you on how to cut halter top. The length of my paper is 16 inches, so that's the half length, and I have 14 inches for the width. So we are going to take our vertical measurement. So I'm going to mark my shoulder line. So the shoulder line is 15. We are going to use 15 for the shoulder line. So the half length will be 7.5. This is it, 7.5. 7.5 here. I think you can see it. So I'll mark my 7.5. Then I'll mark my 3 inches for the neck width and 3 inches for the neck depth. So I'm going to connect the line together. Sorry, I'm supposed to take my vertical measurement before I take my neck width. But notwithstanding, you can first mark your neck width if you know what you are doing. We are going to take the vertical measurements now. So I'll be marking 9.5 inches for the bust line, then 30.5 inches for the waistline, 30.5 inches, 9.5 inches for the bust line, 30.5 inches for the waistline, and 16 inches will be for the half length of our halter top. Now I'm going to make a straight line. So I'm going to connect the neck width and neck depth of 3 inches, 3 by 3 that I've marked. So you are going to connect it this way. I think you see what I'm doing. So these are our neck width and neck depth, 3 by 3. Then this is 9.5 inches for the bust point. This is it, bust point, and this is 13.5 inches for the waistline. So I'm going to mark a straight line. The bust point of 9.5 inches, waistline of 13.5 inches, waistline of 13.5 inches, and this is the half length of the pattern. Having done that, we are going to take our circumference, the body circumference. So this is the bust line. So we are going to mark 9.5 inches because we'll be using 38 inches for the bust. 38 divided by 4 is 9.5, so I will mark it. So the waistline is 39 inches. 39 inches divided by 4, that will give us 9.75. So we are going to mark our 9.75 here. 9.75 here. So I'm going to mark 9.75 at the length as well. I'm going to mark 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Then you will connect the 1 inch to the neck width of 3 inches. Having done that, I'm going to mark a straight line down to the bust point. So that will be our armhole. So that is our armhole. Then if you look for the midpoint, you can fold your tape measure this way. Then you come in by 1/2 inch here. Now you can connect your armhole. Can you see it now? So that's how you can get your armhole. Haven't done that, remember we've taken our body circumference. So what we are going to do now is to connect our line. So you can add 1 or 2 inches for sewing allowance. Same with sewing allowance, so you can mark 2 inches. Then after doing that, then you can cut it out. So that means we are nearly done. After that, mark a straight line. You have to cut our top out. I'm so sorry, I didn't know that the camera was off while I was cutting it out. What I did was, this is it. I marked, remember I marked 1 inch for the shoulder slope, so I divided it into 2. After dividing it into 2, then I cut it out. I cut it out. So that was what I did. I cut it out. I extend the cuff line at the armhole line. Then I cut the half out. Then I cut the neck out as well. The next thing right now is to make our halter neckline. It is very simple. This is what I'm going to do. So you are going to come down by 1 inch at the neck width. Then from there, you are going to mark a cuff line to meet at the armhole line, 11.5 inches. So that's why you are going to stop. So this is it. Then you mark a cuff line or a slant line. So you have to mark a cuff line or a slant line. Can you see it? Then you connect it up here. Now we are going to cut it out. So that's how to make halter neck. So you cut it out. Can you see the sharp area? Can you see the sharp area where the 1 inch starts from? So now we are going to open it out. We are done with it. Can you see it? So if you want your neck to be wider than this, you can mark 1.5 inch. You can see it is very simple to cut. So I urge you to cut yours as well. To make a stripe to your halter top, you can use part of your fabric. You can mark 3 inches. You mark 3 inches round. After fold. This is 3 inches, so if you fold this down, so that will be 1.5 inches. After cutting the stripe, so what you are going to do is to sew it together. So if you want to sew it, you just sew it together. Just take it to the machine and sew it round. Sew it round. So this is how it's going to look like after sewing it round. This is the way it's going to look after sewing it round. Maybe let me pin it so that you understand what I'm saying. So I'm just attaching I'm pinning it down for you to see how it will look like. So that's what you are going to do I'm going to pin it round. So this is how it's going to look after attaching a strap to it. And if you don't want a big stripe, you can add only small strap like 1 inch, then you fold it and sew it round. So it is very easy to cut. So I urge you to cut yours as well, and let me know in the comment section. If you love this tutorial, kindly give us thumbs up and make sure you share it to your friend. Once again, don't forget to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever we upload a new video, so that you won't miss out. Thank you so much once again for watching. Bye.